Hello everyone, welcome to BrainBooster Nursing Hub. In today's video, we will learn about the nursing process, also known as ADPIE. The nursing process consists of 5 important steps: assessment, diagnosis, planning, implementation, and evaluation. So let's get started. The nursing process is a systematic, patient-centered, and problem-solving approach that guides nurses in delivering high-quality care. It consists of 5 essential steps: assessment, diagnosis, planning, implementation, and evaluation, ADPIE. These steps provide a structured framework for identifying a patient's health needs, planning appropriate interventions, implementing nursing care, and evaluating patient outcomes. The nursing process also supports clinical decision-making and promotes evidence-based practice. Several assumptions underpin the nursing process. It is recognized as a holistic, scientific, individualized, and problem-solving approach that emphasizes nursing diagnosis and critical thinking. These assumptions enable nurses to provide comprehensive care that addresses the physical, psychological, emotional, social, and spiritual needs of patients. Now, let's move to the first step of the nursing process, which is 1. Assessment. Assessment is the first step of the nursing process. The nurse collects information about the patient's physical, mental, emotional, and social health through observation, interviews, physical examination, and review of medical records. There are 4 main types of nursing assessment. Now, let's discuss the main types of nursing assessment. There are 4 common types: initial or comprehensive assessment, focused assessment, emergency assessment, and time-lapsed assessment. Types of nursing assessments. 1. Initial/comprehensive, complete head-to-toe baseline examination, usually performed upon hospital admission or during a general wellness visit. 2. Focused, concentrates on a specific presenting problem or body system, for example, assessing the lungs of an asthmatic patient. 3. Emergency, rapid assessment of life-threatening issues to ensure immediate intervention is taken. 4. Time-lapsed, periodic reassessments to monitor changes in the patient's condition compared to their previous baseline. Now, let's move to the second step of the nursing process, which is nursing diagnosis. Nursing diagnosis is the second step of the nursing process. It is the nurse's clinical judgment about a patient's actual or potential health problems based on the assessment findings. It helps identify the patient's needs, set priorities, and select appropriate nursing interventions. According to Nanda, there are 3 types of nursing diagnoses: actual, risk, and wellness. Let's discuss each type one by one. Actual nursing diagnosis. An actual nursing diagnosis refers to a health problem that currently exists and is supported by signs, symptoms, and assessment data. It identifies a patient's present response to a health condition that requires nursing care. Example: acute pain related to a surgical incision as evidenced by the patient's verbal report of pain and guarding behavior. Second is risk nursing diagnosis. A risk nursing diagnosis identifies a patient who is at risk of developing a health problem due to specific risk factors. Since the problem has not yet occurred, there are no defining signs or symptoms. Nursing interventions focus on prevention. Example: risk for infection related to a weakened immune system or the presence of an invasive catheter. Third is wellness, health promotion, nursing diagnosis. A wellness or a health promotion. Nursing diagnosis describes a patient's readiness to improve health, well-being, or healthy behaviors. It is used when the patient is ready and motivated to improve health and achieve a higher level of wellness. Example: readiness for enhanced nutrition as evidenced by the patient's desire to improve dietary habits and maintain a healthy lifestyle. 3. Planning. Planning is the third step of the nursing process. In this step, the nurse sets priorities, establishes patient-centered goals, identifies expected outcomes, and selects appropriate nursing interventions. A well-planned care plan helps provide safe, organized, and effective patient care. 4. Implementation is the fourth step of the nursing process. In this step, the nurse carries out the planned nursing interventions to achieve the patient's goals. Care is provided safely according to the care plan, and every intervention is documented. The nurse also monitors the patient's response to ensure the treatment is effective. Evaluation. Evaluation is the fifth and final step of the nursing process. In this step, the nurse assesses the patient's response to the care provided and compares the actual outcomes with the expected goals. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to BrainBooster Nursing Hub. Thank you for watching.